It's hot as hell in here. Yes, it is. I love Nolans, Louisiana, New Orleans, Nolans. You know, a lot of good things come out of New Orleans. Or New Orleans, Drew Brees, Mardi Gras, and real good seafood. So if you want to learn how to make a Louisiana style shrimp skillet, stay and watch the video. And we're gonna shake our dudes right on top of it. Oh, I needed that. Guys, this one's super easy. The first thing you need to do is preset your oven on 400 degrees. The only thing you need is some fresh grated garlic, some fresh shallots, some bell peppers, and we're gonna top it off with some parsley. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're going to get our shrimp in our skillet and we're gonna use this awesome Nuvo olive oil. This stuff is so awesome. Thank you for sending it out to me. I'll have a link in my description below. This company has more awards than there are Kardashian kids, so I'm telling you, it's a good product. So what you want to do to start is get your shrimp in the skillet, spread it around. I got 10, 15, 20s in here. And then we're going to use our Nuvo Meyer lemon olive oil, like that. Then we're going to shake our dude's Louisiana seasoning right on top of it. Then we have our fresh garlic, shallot, bell peppers. Mix it up a little bit. And we're gonna take our butter. We're gonna stick it all over the place. Now we're gonna take our all-natural Tasman Wakame sea salt, and we're gonna sprinkle some of this on top. Forgot a piece of butter. And then we have our fresh parsley, just sprinkle it around like that. And now we're gonna put this in the oven, which has been preset to 400 degrees for 20 minutes. I know you guys hear me talking about this company a lot, but this is definitely by far my favorite sea salt around. This is Tasman sea salts, and they have a bunch of different flavors. I'll have a link down below where you can get them. Definitely give Golden Grove a look. These salts are awesome. You should be using them in your kitchen every day. All right, these shrimp look awesome. Let's plate these up. Definitely want to take some of that butter juice. It's delicious. There you have it, guys. There's some Dude's Louisiana style shrimp. Special thank you to the guys over at Nuvo for this awesome olive oil. Definitely check them out. Check the link below. And also Tasman for this awesome Wakame sea salt. And don't forget to shake your dudes. I'm gonna eat some of these shrimp. They look awesome. They look really hot though, but you know what? Don't forget to hit the like button down below. Definitely subscribe. I have great recipes all the time. These look really good. They just look really hot. Screw it. Gotta do it for the gram, right? Oh yeah. That's a Louisiana style shrimp skillet if I've ever seen one. I don't think I'm gonna be able to stop eating these. These are fantastic.